Welcome everyone to our weekend analysis this evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are in the world. So, before we begin, please know that we have a discount running, uh, which is 35% off Instant Pro, 30% off Instant Prime, 35% off the Classic Instant, and also 40% off the Instant Light, and lastly 30% off the Challengers. This offer ends on the 22nd at 11:59 p.m. CET. So make sure you grab yourself an account before this promo ends. So we had a very interesting week. Let's get right into it. So we're going to start off with the dollar index. So the dollar index started off the week, came to our entry level over here, and we seem to be like in a miniature consolidation right here. We came all the way up, then we came all the way down. Now we're around this area, just the midpoint. So next week, I do think we might be coming all the way to our specific level of 102. So that's what we can expect for next week. Then euro dollar. Euro dollar is somehow similar to the dollar index, but of course we did come into our level. After that, we pushed down slightly, then we came all the way back up. Next week, I do think we might be coming all the way down, then we might even be touching 1.1300. Then dollar yen. Dollar yen, we had a push into our level, then we went all the way down and got stopped out, then we pushed all the way up. So unfortunately, this one got stopped out. So what can we expect next week? Well, next week we can expect probably the move to continue, but maybe we might be looking for a pullback into this area of 58500. Then maybe we could be looking to come back right above these levels right there. So let's just put that there. Then a low and low stop loss right here. So then we could be aiming, I think even 161 could be a possible level. Yeah, with how everything's going in the market, so we can expect to reach 161. So that's what we could anticipate for next week. Then pound yen. Pound yen has been consolidating, but overall we seem to be going in the right direction. Monday came in, we pushed down, then we pushed strongly up, then we pushed down back into the same area, then we pushed up. So next week, if we do break right above 212, we can go right above this to this next level and make a new high. Then possibly we could reach 215 by the end of the week. The dollar Mexican, this has been a lot throughout the news and how oil is affecting the dollar Mexican. So next week we could actually be seeing the dollar versus the Mexican to actually push all the way down. Probably the Mexican peso gain some strength, especially since there has been talk around it. We're still putting our stop loss right just above there around 1810. It seems 18 was the level it was trying to reach before actually having a pullback. So we might be reaching all the way here to 1700. So that is what we anticipate for next week. Then CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss still has been consolidating. Nothing much that has happened here. The week started, we came down, we're in a loss, then we were in a good profit, then we came all the way down. So maybe we might be actually bouncing off this level next week and then maybe making also a new high and then going even higher to 0.58450. Then pound dollar, we unfortunately got stopped out, so we'll be looking for a new trading opportunity for this week where we could actually be buying off this level. I do think this could be a buying opportunity with a low stop loss over there. And then we could be just aiming to take out the previous high, even probably coming all the way to 1.35. That's where I do think we could be coming to up to. So this could be a nice 2.41 to 1. Then gold. Gold did quite great. We were looking for the market to drop right below here around 4994 or 5,000 level, and it did, and it tumbled all the way down, and we seem to be en route to 4389. So that's what we'll be seeing in the next coming days. Then NAS 100, we unfortunately got stopped out, but we are still this consolidation box. So we actually had a pullback right here. So for next week, we could actually just put a buy stop just right above the pin bar here and stop loss there around 23750, and then we could be aiming to come all the way up here to 25400. So this is what we could be anticipating next week. So we just need to wait for the market to tell us what it wants to do. Then lastly, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, we got stopped out, unfortunately. And right now it is down right below 70,000. It's been bouncing off these levels. But right now, this looks like a head and shoulders. So we might actually be coming all the way down to 65,000. So that is what I am anticipating for this coming week. So a nice sell there would be great with a high stop loss around 76,000 there. And then we could be aiming for 65, but this would not be a great risk reward. So we could push it even further down, probably to 63,000. We could be coming all the way there, or even 62,000 actually. We could be making a new low of these previous lows that we had. So that is what I'm anticipating for this coming week. Then Ethereum. Ethereum, we got stopped out as well. And we are out of the box, surprisingly, to the upside. And we also have something similar to head and shoulders right here. Similar to what Bitcoin is doing. So we could be heading down as well. So we could be coming all the way down to 1768. So this is what we can be anticipating on Ethereum as well. So this is where we come to an end for analysis this evening. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget, once more, we have a promo running. Instant Pro, 35% off. Instant Prime, 35% off. Instant Classic, 35% off. Classic, Instant Light, 40% off. And then also the challenges, 30% off. This promo ends on the 22nd of March at 11:59 p.m. CET. So make sure you grab yourself an account before this promo ends. Thank you all for joining me this evening. I hope you have a great weekend and a profitable week coming into this wonderful week. Hopefully, this war does not cause any crazy movements that ends up getting us stopped out. But apart from that, happy trading and have a lovely weekend.